Good afternoon, guys. So, this is the lecture number 73 on where we are going to discuss having said that. As you know, you can see having said that we have to use in the sense of इसके बावजूद भी or you can say पर फिर भी. Actually, this type of sentences, this type of phrasal verb, this type of phrase is used in our surroundings. Like I hope you heard from your parents. इसके बावजूद भी तुमको समझ में नहीं आता है. मैंने कितनी बार बताई बट तुमको समझ में नहीं आता, फिर भी तुम एक नंबर की गधे ही रहोगे. मैं चाहता हूं आप सुधर जाओ. लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर यूज्ड इन आवर सराउंडिंग्स. सो today we are going to discuss having said that, and simply first of all you have to learn having said that is used in the sense of इसके बावजूद पर फिर भी. If I say any type of sentence, simply at the level of you, if I say मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है बट इसके बावजूद भी मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने की कोशिश करता हूं. On here sentence is what? Sentence is simply मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है. Sentence is simply मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती. Can you tell me this sentence is in which tense?
Present indefinite.
Yeah. मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है. This sentence is in present indefinite tense. The rule of present indefinite tense simply in the present indefinite tense you have to use either subject then first form with s or only simply first form, but this is follow in only affirmative sentence. In case of negative sentence you have to use subject, then if subject is singular then you have to write does not, but if subject is plural then you have to write do not. Does not is used in contractive form doesn't, and do not is used as a contractive form what? Don't. So मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है. आने what is the meaning of मुझे? I, but I is considered in the plural subject, so for I we have to use don't. I don't know, but you wrong. If you write I don't know to
Speak. Oh, sorry, English.
speak English, then it is totally wrong.
No,
I do
speak
not
नहीं
understand
रहेगा.
English नहीं रहेगा.
मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है.
I
इट
don't
मीन्स
know
एक्चुअली
English.
मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलनी नहीं आती है. On here sentence sense is what? Simply मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलनी नहीं आती. मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती it means what? You don't know even ABCD of English.
Yes sir, I don't know
यहाँ
English
हो
language.
सकता है रेट भी करना नहीं आता. जरूरी ये तो नहीं कि बोलना ही नहीं आता.
Yeah, maybe, but on here sentence is give the sense of मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है. इट मीन्स मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलनी नहीं आती है. So I don't know to speak English. This is wrong. The correct format of this, I don't know how to speak English. I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to write. I don't know how to smile other person. Clear? So I don't know how to speak English. पर फिर भी इसके बावजूद भी पर फिर भी, or you can write इसके बावजूद भी. What is the meaning for this? Having said that. Having said that इसके बावजूद भी. Having said that इसके बावजूद भी मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने का प्रयास करता हूं, कोशिश करता हूं. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने की कोशिश करता हूं. What is the meaning of this sentence? First of all, you have to attention. This sentence is in which type of tense?
Present indefinite.
So simply this is the present indefinite tense. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने की कोशिश करता हूं. I try to speak English. I try to speak English. मैं इंग्लिश बोलने की ट्राई करता हूं. क्लियर? दिस इज द सिंपली. ओ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टैंड इन हिंदी. देखिए, सिंपली हैविंग सेड दैट यू हैव टू यूज दिस थिंग, दिस फ्रेज इन द सेंस ऑफ इसके बावजूद भी पर फिर भी. दिस फ्रेज कैन बी यूज इन हिंदी सेंटेंस, इसको आप हिंदी सेंटेंस में एज इट इज यूज कर सकते हो। बार बार मना करने के बावजूद भी वो समझता नहीं है। मैंने कितनी बार तुम्हें बताया हैविंग सेड दैट आप कभी नहीं सुधरोगे। मम्मी ने कितनी बार बताया हैविंग सेड दैट मैं भूल जाता हूं कि वो चीज, वो लगेज कहां पर रखा है। इस तरह से बीच बीच में यूज करो हैविंग सेड दैट। क्लास चल रही है, हैविंग सेड दैट आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है। क्लियर? तो हैविंग सेड दैट का मतलब इसके बावजूद भी या पर फिर भी। जैसे यहां पर एग्जांपल, मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है पर फिर भी मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने की कोशिश करता हूं। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस? सिंपली, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू actually one thing more, actually having said that works as a conjunction. Conjunction are those words that connects two words, two phrase or two sentences. So on here one sentence, this is मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है, and second sentence, this is मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने की कोशिश करता हूँ, and both sentences are connected by having said that. So having said that what? Having said that is the conjunction. Okay, are you getting my point?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
So game is what? Simply, if I talk about game of speaking English, then 50% game of tense. 50% तो टेंस का ही गेम है। 50% कंटेंस vocab and other concept। नहीं आती है, so this is the tense। I don't know how to speak English, having said that I try to speak English। First of all write down, then I will continue। Write down please। Now we are going to practice। Are you ready?
Yes.
या वो सब कुछ भूल जाता है, इसके बावजूद भी उसको मेरा जन्मदिन याद रहता है। What is the meaning of this sentence? So first of all, attention, small sentences like वो सब कुछ भूल जाता है। So this is in simple present tense। So what is the meaning of this sentence? He forgets everything। He forgets everything means वो सब कुछ भूल जाता है। इसके बावजूद भी, for this we have to use having said that। Having said that उसको मेरा जन्मदिन याद रहता है। What is the meaning of this sentence? So first of all, attention, उसको सब कुछ याद रहता है। Actually this sentence is also in simple present tense। उसको मेरा जन्मदिन याद रहता है means he, because याद रहता है। This shows that person is male। So for male the meaning of हुआ is what? He। For female she। On here male is present, so he remembers my birthday। He remembers my birthday। He remembers my birth anniversary। You can use if any person, if everyone is use happy birthday to you, you can use happy birth anniversary to you। 50% people confuse birth anniversary means because this person is unmarried still and this person is says happy birth anniversary। Actually happy birth anniversary and happy birthday both are same because anniversary comes once in a year। Are you getting my point? So yeah, next sentence is समय पर वहां पहुंचना नामुमकिन था। That's not possible। पर इसके बावजूद भी उसने कोशिश की। समय पर पहुंचना नामुमकिन था, impossible था। What is the meaning of this sentence?
Reaching there,
It was responsible, or you can say
impossible.
reaching there is almost impossible, is impossible। Having said that उसने कोशिश की, he tried। या नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, मेरे पास कैमरा नहीं है पर इसके बावजूद भी मैं आपके लिए वीडियो बनाता हूँ।
I don't have camera।
So first of all, मेरे पास कैमरा नहीं है, पास है have, but negative, for negative sentence don't have or doesn't have। I don't have any camera। I don't have any camera। Having said that, I shoot videos for you। I shoot videos for you। मैं आपके लिए वीडियो शूट करता हूँ। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, वो तुमसे हमेशा झूठ बोलता है पर इसके बावजूद भी वो तुम्हारे साथ हमेशा खड़ा रहता है। वो तुमसे हमेशा झूठ बोलता है। दिस इज आल्सो इन प्रेजेंट इंडिपेंडेंस, यानी कि
He always lies to you.
He always lies to you. Having said that,
Said that
वो तुम्हारे साथ हमेशा खड़ा रहता है.
he always stand by you.
He always
Stand by you.
stands by you. वो हमेशा आपके साथ खड़ा रहता है. ये बाइक बहुत महंगी थी, पर इसके बावजूद भी मेरे बापू ने ये बाइक मुझे दिला दी. Because बापू is बापू.
This bike was very.
This
costly.
bike was very expensive. This bike was very costly. Having said
Having
that,
said that,
my father
bought it for me.
bought it for me. Means मेरे लिए इसे खरीदवाई, या you can use my father got it for me. Next, उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे, इसके बावजूद भी उसने मुझे पैसे दिलवाए. Yeah, he doesn't have money. Having said that, इसके बावजूद भी उसने मुझे पैसे दिलवाए. Having said that, she got me, she arranged me, she arranged money for me. उन्होंने मेरे लिए मनी का अरेंज किया, व्यवस्था किया. मुझे सब पता है, लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी मैं तुम्हारी मदद नहीं कर सकता हूँ. मुझे सब मालूम है. For this sentence you have to write I know everything. I know everything. Having said that, having known everything, you can use this sentence as a contractive. Having knowing everything about you, I can't help you. Sorry, bro. But it's my compulsion. I'm helpless. I'm totally helpless. Even I can't help you by 1 rupees, because in this time I have no purse. Okay, so come new sentence. ये मुश्किल है, पर फिर भी मुझे इसे सीखना है.
It is impossible.
It is impossible. Having said that, I have to learn this because this is my father's dreams and I have to fulfill my father's dream. Have you any father's dream?
Yeah.
Have you your father's dream?
Yeah.
So can you tell me? If you don't mind, then can you tell me what is your father's dream that you want to fulfill?
My father's dream is to that I get a greater job than him.
Yeah, your father's dream is you success, you reached at a best position. Means maybe private, maybe government, but firstly every father's, in my opinion, every father's dream is first of all to become a successful and honest person, and second is to reach at a higher position on where you can earn name, fame as well as money. Name, fame, money. Okay, या next. आपकी अंग्रेजी अच्छी है, पर फिर भी आप और सुधार सकते हैं. What is the meaning of this sentence?
Your English is
Your
good.
English is good.
Good.
बहुत अच्छी. Your English is very good. आपकी इंग्लिश सबसे अच्छी है. Your English is the best. Having said that, you can improve
You can
it.
improve it.
Having said that, you can improve it. Why you can improve it? सुविधा के लिए. What is the meaning of this sentence? सुविधा के लिए. Yeah, tell me loudly.
I don't know.
Yeah, tell me. I said tell me. सुविधा के लिए. What is the meaning of this sentence? Yeah, you tell.
For convenient.
For the inconvenient. No.
असुविधा.
For the convenient.
असुविधा
Convenient.
तो-
What is the pronounce? Convenient. Convenient. Convenience. Inconvenience means what? असुविधा. But convenience means सुविधा. वो एक अच्छा लड़का है, पर इसके बावजूद भी मुझे उसका स्वभाव पसंद नहीं है.
He's a good boy.
He is a good boy. Having said that, I don't like his nature,
Behavior.
his behavior, his attitude. या कल छुट्टी थी, पर फिर भी उसने पूरा दिन काम किया.
Tomorrow will be holiday.
कल छुट्टी थी. Yesterday was holiday.
Yesterday all.
और but correct format of this sentence, it was holiday yesterday. Having said that, he worked the whole day. इसके बावजूद भी उसने पूरा दिन काम किया. Okay, I hope clear.
Yes.
समझ में है ये सारा चीज?
Yes.
Everything is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, tell me one sentence.
I don't
Tell me.
मुझे समझाना नहीं आता है पर इसके बावजूद भी मैं तुम्हें समझाने का प्रयास करता हूँ. What is the meaning of this sentence?
I don't know making understand.
I don't know how to make understand.
I don't know how to make understand. Having said that, उसके बाद
Having said that, I try to make you understand. Yeah, you tell. आप समय से नहीं पहुंच पाते हो पर इसके बावजूद भी आप समय पर पहुंचने का प्रयास करना चाहते हो या करते हो.
You can't reach at time. Having said that, you try
to come
you
on
should
time.
want to reach at time.
I can't reach on time means मैं समय पर नहीं पहुंच सकता हूं. Having said that, I try, or you can say having said that, you try to reach on time. आप समय पर पहुंचने का प्रयास करते हो. Clear? You don't use should, or you can use as a suggestion. आप समय से तो पहुंच नहीं सकते हो बट इसके बावजूद भी आपको समय पर पहुंचने का प्रयास करना चाहिए. And here you can use you can't reach on time. Having said that, you should try to come on time because this is the best habit. Every person want to punctual,
Done.
so you have to also should be punctual. Okay, so first, so lastly I want to say with my heart again, I want to welcome for seeing or watching till last videos. Last videos means what?
मतलब अंत तक.
अंत तक. But last videos means last videos. It means what? इसके बाद कोई videos नहीं होगा. But this is wrong. इसके बाद होगा. चलता रहेगा. ये जितना ज्यादा हो सकेगा. वैसे टारगेट है ये लेक्चर 1000 तक चलेगा आपका. है ना. ये चीज आपका ऐसे चलता रहेगा. अगर जैसे आप लोग कोर्स कर रहे हैं, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स कर रहे हैं, कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. उसके बावजूद भी मैं चलाता रहूंगा. है ना. जितने भी कॉन्सेप्ट है सब बनाकर ऐसे छोटे छोटे पूरा कवर करवाता जाएगा. 1000 प्लस ही चलेगा, कम नहीं होगा. भले इसके लिए कितना ही टाइम क्यों ना लगे, 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल जितना भी लगे, 1000 ये चलता रहेगा. क्लियर है? ओके, आज के लिए इतना ही करें. ओके, थैंक यू.